This finger keeps getting stuck, and surgery is about to fix it. Have you ever bent a finger and felt it suddenly lock in place or snap straight with a painful click? This condition is called trigger finger. It happens when the tendon, the strong cord that helps bend your finger, becomes swollen. The swollen tendon can no longer slide smoothly through a small tunnel in the finger called a tendon sheath. As a result, the finger may catch, lock, or suddenly snap when you try to move it. When rest, medicine, or injections don't solve the problem, doctors may recommend trigger finger release surgery. The surgery usually begins with a local anesthetic. This means only the hand is numbed, so the patient stays awake but doesn't feel pain. The surgeon makes a small cut in the palm, just below the affected finger. After gently moving the skin aside, the surgeon finds the tight band of tissue that is squeezing the tendon. This band is part of the tendon sheath. Now comes the most important step. The surgeon carefully cuts this tight band to create more space for the tendon. As soon as the band is released, the tendon can move freely again without getting stuck. The surgeon then gently bends and straightens the finger several times to make sure the movement is smooth and that the locking has disappeared. Once everything is working properly, the area is cleaned, and the small incision is closed with a few stitches. A light bandage is placed over the hand to protect the wound. The entire procedure usually takes only 15 to 30 minutes, and most patients are able to go home the same day. After surgery, patients are encouraged to gently move their finger to prevent stiffness and help it heal properly. Over the next few weeks, the soreness gradually goes away, and the finger becomes easier to move. For most people, the painful clicking and locking disappear completely, allowing them to hold objects, write, cook, and perform everyday tasks without discomfort. With one small cut and a simple repair, trigger finger release surgery restores smooth finger movement and helps patients use their hands comfortably again.